Hey everybody, it's Beth. Today I'm using these clear ornaments I got from Dollar Tree. I'm going to end up using 4 of them. I needed something to fit snugly inside the ornament so I can hold it, and these clothespins worked perfect for that. I'm painting 2 of them with Imperial Red acrylic paint, and that's by Folkart. I'm applying 1 thick coat covering the entire ornament. Next, I'm taking baking soda and I'm just scooping it into a small bowl. And while the paint is still wet, I am sprinkling the baking soda all over the painted area, making sure that it is fully covered. The next 2 ornaments, I'm using linen color acrylic paint, and that's also by Folkart. Again, just giving it a nice thick coat of paint, sprinkling on the baking soda. And they have to dry for at least a few hours before the next step, so I just set them on this glass vase and added a piece of tape just for extra security. And for the tops, I'm giving them a couple of coats of Sahara Gold metallic acrylic paint, and that is also by Folkart. And then after several hours, I'm taking the ornament with a very soft bristle brush. This is actually a makeup brush, and I'm brushing off all of the baking soda. It gives the ornament a very pretty velvety appearance. And then remove those clothespins and add back in the topper. Next, I'm cutting strips of this 3/8 inch ribbon. And that ribbon I got from Walmart. I'm using 2 different colors. And the length of the strips depends on how long you want them to hang down on the tree. Once I have them on the ornament, I just hot glue the ends of the ribbon together, creating that loop. And that is it for this project. Thank you so much for watching.